Hello, children. Listen here. There's a virus spreading near. But don't worry, not to fear. We can be safe until it disappears. But we must wear our mask. This is our very important task. And stay 6 feet away from strangers. That's how we avoid danger.
But if we don't wear a mask on our face, and if we don't give each other space, then it will continue to spread around the globe. But not to worry, 'cause now you know. And since you know, we're okay. And we just need to do our task every day until coronavirus goes away. Until then, at a distance is where we stay.